Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view and access all your photos stored in iCloud on your iPhone. So let's get straight into it. To view your iCloud photos, we'll be using Safari or any web browser instead of the Photos app. So just go ahead and open your preferred browser. Once it's open, go to iCloud.com here. So you can either search for it or type the URL directly. It's totally up to you. And when you're on the iCloud website, you will see the sign in button here. So just tap on it and sign in with your Apple ID. If you have Face ID enabled, the process will be even quicker. So just confirm your identity and you're in. So after signing in, give it a moment to load your data. And once everything is ready, you will see your account overview. So just look for the photos option. If you don't see it right away, you can tap the apps button in the top right corner here, then select photos from the list. And there you go. You'll now see all your iCloud photos displayed right in your browser. From here, you can scroll through them just like in the Photos app. So that's how to view all your iCloud photos on an iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.